This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact disabled message and why Google flagged the account. This matters because different reasons use different fixes. Once done, gather recovery options, recovery email, phone number, last used device, because Google uses them to verify you. Make sure you can access those channels before proceeding. If you used a business or school account, contact your admin now. Otherwise, proceed to the account recovery flow on the Google sign-in page to begin verification. Now you'll work through the recovery form step by step. Fill each field precisely because partial or fuzzy answers cause denials. Describe recent passwords, approximate creation date, and devices used. This helps automated systems link you to the account. If prompted, upload a government ID or other proof, scan or photo must be clear. Once submitted, watch the recovery email and be ready to respond to follow-ups. If you get a rejection, take the notes provided and prepare a more detailed resubmission. When Google approves your request, you'll be asked to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password and save it in a manager. Then enable two-step verification and review third-party app access to prevent future flags. If recovery fails, don't panic. Collect more precise evidence, exact dates, invoice numbers, or original device details, and submit again. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cookies or try recovery from a previously used device and network, because matching context increases success rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.